We finally made it to the Heritage Trail. That's the little sign. Apparently this walk takes about an hour. We had to climb up this hill. Let's walk up that Heritage Trail and see what it is all about. So apparently, by what the sign says, this is one of the many caves that we will see, and it was used for human habitation for not that distant past. So someone lived there, and before people lived here, it was a prehistoric tomb. Well, basically they kept dead people here, so that's interesting. So let's see the next cave. These little tiny cave things or holes were built for honey production. Looks kind of cool. Wow, it's cute little caves. I guess people used to be a lot smaller back then. We have some raging clouds upon us, so it might be quite a storm, but in case it rains and there's a storm, we'll just hide in one of the caves. Wow, look, there's stairs up there. Something about the oldest tree in the world.
Oh, there was the oldest tree in the world on this trail, by the way, I forgot about. That's a burial cave.
Oldest carob tree in the island.
What do carob trees do?
Carobing.
Please respect it. I do respect. Very good. How old exactly is this? 3?
4 years.
But the view is amazing. Look at that. Under the tree. It's another world here.
Approximately 1,000 years old.
Speak to me, peasant.
So this carob tree is the oldest carob tree in the island. It's older than 1,000 years. So it's quite old.
How old are you?
26, so not as old as this tree. But I sure do feel as old as the tree.
Climb back up. There's a lot of things to see. Can you believe this? Oh my god.
There's another little cave.
Beautiful. Look at them going into that cave.
It's nice there.
What's in there?
A hole people use as a toilet.
Let's go. Let's go have a look. Oh man, look at the cave. Look at the bee cave. We'll go to the window. What do we see outside? Outside is a man. What an interesting cave with the little windows. Show me the island. There we go. Pretty, huh? Let's go pick out another duck. Huh?
Just a bunch of caves here.
So pretty. Wow, this is a cave hall. Look. Damn. This is not a little cave. This is like the cave. More of the beating, I guess. No, this is for burial purposes. And then human habitation. And then for producing honey.
Clover or else as shelter for animals.
Well, I hope there's no animals right now. Wow, this is a huge cave again. This is a nice place to hide from rain. We're with the oldest tree again.
Almost hit my head again.
Respect the tree, bro.
Respect it. My card is full, but luckily another one. We're ready to go. Now we're entering the prehistoric temple in Woodlands.
Let's go see temple.
Uh-oh. Prehistoric rain is coming to get us.
I want to see the temple.
We have some prehistoric cactuses. Is it really? Yours looked more impressive, didn't it?
Yes.
The weather is changing like crazy today. Looks like the windstorm again. people. We walked around all over around the Heritage Trail. We saw a lot of interesting stuff. As I say in every video about every place in Malta, if you have a chance, I definitely advise coming here. I definitely enjoy this place. I'm glad we came here. And this is pretty much the end of the video. The trail ends here, as we can see, just where we started. We're gonna try to find our bus and slowly go home. So, as this is the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, you can leave a like and do the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!